Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing new tool deals to share with you. We have about 20 new deals to go through. I'm going to have them all linked down below. And also, before I forget, because if I don't say it now, I know I will forget, check the community post page on the YouTube channel. Now, I know most people don't check the community post page, and I know this because I have never once checked anyone else's community post page. So that's why you need to subscribe, click the bell, turn on all all notifications so you get the notifications for that. There's 9 new knife deals that I posted in the community post, if that makes sense. Promo codes, coupons, sale prices. Can't post them on the website because AdSense complains, demonetizes the website, and then that's just a big old shit show. So that's on the community post on the YouTube channel. Make sure to check that out. Now, let's get into these 20 or so deals. Rechargeable flashlights, LED work lights, magnetic base, hanging hook, 180-degree rotate, 5 modes by Key Peak, and they are 60% off. So you get these little 2-pack guys. It looks a lot like, I have the little mini version of a gear wrench rechargeable flashlight, and looks a hell of a lot like this. Now, one thing I like about this more than like the Harbor Freight Braun, even though they have updated it, but the original Harbor Freight Braun Slim Bar light is this one folds all the way in on itself. The original Harbor Freight one that I have only becomes a 90 or a 180, and being able to fold all the way back in on itself is actually pretty nice for the compactness of it, and even just depending on the angle that you need, you get more options. So it's $25.98, but then you take 60% off. It ends up only being like $10, and you're getting 2 of them. That's $5 a light. Amazing deal. And there was actually 2 different options if you go to the text link here. And as all of you know, if you click the text link, it'll automatically apply the promo code to your account, so you don't have to copy and paste it or anything. And if that text link shows no products available, then the deal's sold out. Oh, real quick, by the way, sidebar, we got a funnel for 98 cents. Amazing little deal there. We got the DeWalt wheel there, 89 cents. And then a DeWalt little bit set for $9.99. So we're going to try and keep minty, fresh deals over there every day. And why didn't that work? Let's just do it manually, I guess. Here we have the Garden Hose 50-footer 5/8 inch premium RV drinking water hose, camping marine trailer. I don't know about you, but I just had regular ass garden hoses that I drank out of as a kid. Now that might explain why I'm slightly retarded, although I would like to blame the lead paint myself. It's a drinking grade hose apparently. 50-footer. Now the Amazon page here, we have the link down here, had 3 options. You get a 25-footer, a 35-footer, or the 50-footer. So it's $36.99 for the 50. You're getting 50% off, so you pay about $18 for it. Really good deal for a hose that 122 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. Should be pretty good. Really good price. Of course, this time of year, we're probably going to get more outdoorsy type stuff that'll be on sale because the sellers of that don't want to pay storage fees to Amazon all winter and then wait until spring. So it's part of the reason why we see some of the good discounts at the end of the year. Black & Decker 20-volt max matrix drill power tool combo 6-tool set. It's kind of like the flexi driver guy or the installation driver where you get the one main tool and then all the different heads that you can throw in there. So we count it as a 6-tool set. You get the battery and charger. It's $129.99 currently at Amazon. You can see Home Depot's $173.99, Lowe's is $159, and Acme Tools is $189.99. Now here's one I had to get myself. We've seen it before, but it's been a long time since we've seen the discount on this. It's electrical tape 6-pack, 30 feet, and it is by Sound Original and 50% off. Now, if we go down, let's go to this here. It's $8.99. It's 50% promo code, so it makes it $4.50. If you do subscribe and save, you actually save another 10% with a coupon. And I think the subscribe and save price might have been $8.09. I mean, you can get this pretty cheap when we start stacking in these discounts. Now, the text link here had several different tape options. You can get all one color. I don't know, there was a bunch of different options you can go for. I went with this one. I was tempted to go with an all red one because the other day when we were putting the winch on the Jeep, I wanted to use the red tape for the red wire, the power wire. And I had black tape, I had white tape, I had green tape, I had blue tape. I had every color of the damn rainbow except for red. And let Uncle PJ lay some knowledge on you if you haven't learned this life lesson yet. Life screws you every chance it gets. When you need the red tape, you will have every color but red. As soon as you no longer need the red tape, you're going to see nothing but red tape. You will have drawers full of red tape. So be prepared, because life kicks you in the ass every single second it can. And we move on. 4-inch LED pod lights, 2-piece 100-watt high lumen cube light flood beam light bar, off-road quad row, super bright by Yachow Tech. 35% off. Cute little guys. Start out at $12.99, which isn't even a bad price, and then we get 30% with the promo code, 5% with the coupon. You're at like, what is it, like $8 or $9 for two of them. And then there were a couple other options. There was a amber colored option, and then I think there was a larger, maybe 5-inch or so light bar that was also available. Now with these lights, I've heard several people say that technically you should go with the amber version, that you get better vision, a better visual out of it. But from my perspective, I say, yeah, that may be true, but it looks stupid. It looks stupid. And that's all we really care about. The white daylight lights look much better. Maybe they don't illuminate the foliage in the same way. But we got to keep things in perspective. You got to know what's important. And you don't want to look stupid. Acme Tools Milwaukee Packout 3-piece toolbox kit down to $246.49. So they have a flash sale going on, which we're going to touch base a little bit more on here in 1 second. But you get the 3-pack of the packouts. Red Flash 15 is taking 15% off. You're going to get free shipping with that. Now let's... Oh, I don't have them in order. Damn it. Hold on. If we look at the flash sale, save 15% on select Milwaukee Packout hand tools and power tool accessories. And this is going to be good through the 20th. So we're saving 15%. Red Flash 15. And then on this page, let's see, here's the promo code. Here's a full list of everything that is eligible. And then I put together the list, just kind of going through the catalog of Acme tools and finding the most discounted Milwaukee tools. Now, this is a list of 100 different things. These are things that are most highly on sale, but not all of the things on the list are eligible for the code. But if you find something, for instance, this 3-inch hole dozer, it says it's normally $48, I don't know what, down to $10.97. And if I open that guy up, you can see that save 15% with code REDFLASH15. So this item does work with the flash sale. So hopefully if you scroll through this, I mean, there's 100 things here. You could find something that you can use sale price in conjunction with the flash sale. Next up, we have the rotary tool accessories, 230-piece power rotary tool accessory kit, 1/8-inch diameter shanks, universal fit. This is by Hardell, and it is 45% off. Comes with the handy dandy case. You can do all your polishing, grinding, cutting. $16.99. That's a 30% promo code and a 15% coupon, so we almost cut that in half. You're going to pay like $9-ish. And then you got the case to replenish as you use them up. An item I really like, I don't own this specific brand, but I've owned 2 or 3 different sets of these now. The Night Vision Binoculars. 3.2-inch screen, infrared digital goggles. Records 4K photo and video. It's 50% off. These things are fun to play with. Even in the daylight, if you don't care about the night vision part, just having the binoculars that can take pictures and record video and stuff, it's kind of cool. Don't be weird. $109.99, 50% off. So about $55. These things have dropped quite a bit in price too, because when these things first came out, they were routinely $200 or more. Like the 109.99 was the promo code price, and now that's the regular price. And we can get them under $100. I mean, quite a bit under $100. So that's really good. 550-piece heat shrink wire connectors, 70% off by Screwish. I kind of like the name. Now, this one was also available for a bunch of different options. So if you went on the Amazon page, it looked like there was 10 or more different options to choose from as far as sizes and quantities and different types of connectors. And I checked 3 or 4, and all of them had a 40% promo code and a 30% coupon. So you should be able to take 70% off of any of those. And it feels like they're all kind of slightly inflated prices. So it's not a true 70% off. It's really like it's 30% overpriced, so we're really getting a 40% discount of where it should have been to begin with. But either way, once it's all said and done, we're at a good price, so it's not too bad. Here we have a 265-piece black self-tapping screws, half-inch to 1.5-inch stainless steel modified truss head sheet metal screws by Faux Live, and they are 50% off. Started out at $22.98, going to be $12-ish after the promo code. Here we have a digital multimeter, TRMS 6000 count volt amp meter ohm multimeter tester, non-contact voltage, measures voltage, blah blah blah, by Then Lab, and it is 50% off. $29.99, 20% promo code, 30% coupon. It's going to be $14.99 now. I know what you're saying. You're saying, PJ, that's amazing. I love that deal. I definitely want it at $15, but damn it, why isn't it a clamp meter? I need a clamp meter, not just a multimeter. And I say to you, patience, grasshopper, because the next deal is the digital clamp meter. Boy, I'm glad they were in order this time, or I really would have been an ass clown. AC/DC, great band, current multimeter, voltage tester, dirty deeds done dirt cheap. That's a good one. $52.99. 30% promo code, 30% coupon. We're taking 60% off this time. Close to $20. Fan favorite, Knipex Cobra Series 7.25-inch box joint pliers with pinch guard. Oh, I can appreciate a good pinch guard. Got some blood blisters from some of those. $26 currently. Look at 40,000 reviews. That's insane. And 5 out of 5 championship belts. How do you get 40,000 reviews and still get 5 out of 5? That's quality, my friends. That's quality. KC Tool, $36. Home Depot, $37. Grainger, $49. Grainger is very expensive. Does anyone buy anything from Grainger? Because every time I check, very expensive. Very, very expensive. One more Black & Decker for you. Look at this. This is really good. 16-inch, 42cc, 2-cycle, gas-powered chainsaw. It's $102.79. Now, I remember about 13 years ago, I bought an 18-inch Craftsman chainsaw from Sears and paid $180 for it. So this, just an itty-bitty, teeny-weeny bit smaller. I was gonna say a bare penis smaller, but I can't say that. 102.79. Fuck, edit that out. And then 102.79, and the Craftsman one, it was almost the same size. $80 cheaper. Pretty amazing deal. Craftsman 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit with free 4 amp hour battery. $129. Boy, that's a good value. That is a really good value. Getting the drill, getting the impact driver, It's a kit with 2 batteries, and I'm sure those batteries suck. They're probably 1.5 amp hour or something. But you're getting a 4 amp hour battery to go with it. All for $129. That's maybe the best thing about the Craftsman cordless tools, especially with Lowe's. They do have a lot of good deals. They are priced well. They are priced like they want to sell some tools. But nevertheless, they're still not all that popular. 129, so I guess it's not working very well for them. You can also get the 4-tool combo kit for $149 with the free 4 amp hour battery. Now CPO $143.99 and Zorro $179, and those are more expensive and don't even get the free 4 amp hour battery. Here we have a folding ladder anti-slip platform portable steel frame for adults, no kids allowed. Anti-slip. This is adults only laddering here. By I never know how you're supposed to pronounce the X in Chinese words. You ever notice that? There's a lot of like silent N's. Why is there an N there then? 30% off there by some company. Now this is $64.99, but there is this link here had 10 options to choose from, different sizes, styles, and everything. So if you're looking for a little stepladder guy, but maybe not this one exactly, definitely check out that link and see if anything tickles your fancy there. Alright guys, we've wrapped it up. Those were all the amazing deals posted today. Well, not all of them, because we still have 5 pages up here that you could go through and find some more amazing deals. You can find something for your mistress right over here on the deals for her page. Make her smile and giggle. You're welcome. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.